In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Google Workspace for Education account for free in 2026, unlimited Google Drive, 5 minutes. We'll walk through the complete sign up flow from confirming eligibility to verifying your school's domain and understanding what happens during the trial. Keep your school's official information handy so you can breeze through the forms without delays. First, confirm your eligibility. Google Workspace for Education is intended for accredited, government-recognized K-12 and higher education institutions and certain nonprofit educational organizations. Check your local requirements and make sure your school has a publicly accessible website and documentation that reflects its legal name. You'll also want an official email address tied to your institution. Most schools start with Education Fundamentals, which is free. Other editions add paid features. Storage policies can change over time, so don't rely on unlimited as a guarantee. Always review the current terms on Google's site. Next, go to the Google Workspace for Education sign-up page, choose the education journey, and select the edition you plan to start with. You'll be guided through forms where you'll enter your school's legal name, its website URL, and your official school email address. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your school's public records to avoid manual review. In some flows, Google may prompt you to confirm or re-enter these details. Treat this as a quick double check for accuracy rather than a repeat step. You'll then be asked about your domain, the web address your school owns, like example edu. If you don't have a domain, Google will offer options to purchase one through a partner. Pick a short, clear domain that represents your institution and keep the registration credentials secure. If your school already owns a domain, enter it exactly and ensure you have access to manage its DNS settings. Now verify domain ownership. The most common method is adding a TXT record to your DNS. Your registrar's dashboard will have a DNS or advanced DNS section where you can create that record, copy the value Google provides, save, and wait a few minutes for it to propagate. If DNS isn't your thing, coordinate with your IT contact. Alternative methods like HTML file or meta tag verification may also be available. Once your domain is verified, your new admin account enters a 14-day trial period. Use this time to explore the admin console, review storage and compliance settings, and prepare your user provisioning plan. Google may request additional documentation to confirm eligibility, so watch your email and respond promptly. When everything checks out, you'll be ready to roll out services to your staff and students with confidence.